All right, welcome back. Hi, Lily. How are you?
Good.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to draw what?
A snail.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
A big snail or a little snail?
Medium size.
Medium size. All right. Okay, so first, what we're going to do is we're going to draw, let's see, a straight line like this, the bottom. Okay. It's okay.
Wait.
That's all right. Okay, cool. Yeah, just draw a straight line across. Good. That's okay. And then another line up like this. Watch. Like that. Good. And then from here, we're going to draw all the way up and then stop like that. That's how tall it's going to be.
It's a tall snail.
It is. And then another line like that. Good. And then we're going to draw his eyes, okay? So it's going to be on top of his head. So just a straight line like that. Straight line like that.
Like a little small.
Like little small, yeah. And then the big eyes. It's a nice circle.
I don't think I made too much room.
That's okay. And then another eye. And straight lines down. Okay. Good. And then this part is going to come all the way down like that. So it's just the front part of the snail here. Okay. Good. And next we're going to draw the mouth. Okay. Nice. And then the shell. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go a line like that. And then like that. And around. Yeah, good job. Then we're going to connect it to the back part like that. And then we're going to draw the eyes, okay? So you can either I'm going to make my eyes looking at this way because I'm going to probably draw another snail over here. So I'm going to make it looking at the other snail. Like that. Good job. So next we're going to draw his buddy or his friend snail, okay?
Can you draw the tummy?
Yeah, the tummy part. You like that?
Yeah.
I'm going to see how you draw it first. What you're thinking. Oh, like that. Yeah. That's a good idea. So I'll do this. Around like that. And then the little lines across. Okay? Oh, eyelashes. So fancy. Okay. Next, we're going to draw his buddy, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little circle like this. This is going to be his head shape, okay? Ready?
Is it like small?
Yeah, a little small one like that. So it's his head. And then you're going to do a little part for his eye. Okay, and then a pupil. And another line like that. And then his other pupil. And down like that. And then now I'm going to draw the other part for his mouth. Good. Next, I'm going to draw a straight line like that. And then a line for his body down like that. Good. And this line is going to come out and around.
Big snail.
Mm-hmm. And then his shell. You ready?
Yeah.
So I'm going to make a circle here. You ran out of space? That's okay. And then the little spiral thing here, right? Like that. Great. And then a mouth. I'm going to make this one, I guess, maybe a bigger smile, maybe. Let's see. That. And then the pupils. Then maybe eyebrows if you want. And then the little belly part. Good job. Now I think we can add some color to this. I might do the grass on the bottom to start.
Same.
And then we'll work out colors.
This is too green.
It's too green?
It's too green.
I actually like that green. You don't like that green?
It's too greeny.
Yeah, I like it. Okay. Good. And then I think I'm going to color. You ready?
Yeah.
So I'm going to use maybe some blue around the eyes, stuff like that.
I'm gonna have purple.
Purple. Nice.
And then this one's gonna have maybe yeah, I think I like the blue.
You do?
Yeah, the blue.
I'm going to add little freckles on them. Like that.
Did I do blush with this?
Yeah, you can. Do you want to?
Sure.
Go for it.
It's like crayon.
So I'm going to get a blue that I like from around you, okay? I like that blue. So let's try that out. I'm going to do this. Okay, so darken it here. Like that.
The snail's gonna be purple.
A little darker underneath the shell like that.
I darken it at the last, usually.
I like to get the darks done a little bit early on this. Then the belly color. What do you think? Like a pinkish or orange? Like a orangey almost, I think. Kind of like that. Kind of like the orangey look. I like that. That's kind of nice.
My shell color is going to be this, I think.
Yeah? What's the shell color going to be?
Blue.
Ooh, blue. That's cool.
And purple.
Nice.
I don't usually color like that.
On the side?
No. Do you?
I'd like to, but I think since these are brand new, I can't really do that yet. But soon I will.
Oh, like the tips?
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, but I'm doing it. Is that okay?
Of course. You don't have to ask. You're good. Good job. Let's see.
I think I'm going to do the other snail now.
Yeah?
It's going to be blue. And I'll think of the other color.
Might add some white out for the highlights on the eyes over here. It's like this. Let's see if I can do that.
Pupils.
Yeah, the pupils right there. Just to add it, little highlights on there. It's cute. On the cheeks as well, maybe. Yeah. Then the other one you're gonna do purple, eh? Okay.
How did you get it out?
You have to squeeze at the same time. Need help?
No, I got it. There. Do you have to let it dry before I...
Yeah, you don't want to put your hand over that white part. But it should be good.
I need my green.
Gonna do a red shell, maybe.
I'm doing my green.
Nice. I might do some cheeks. Some little dots for the cheeks, like in the other one. I might do that as well. Like a little scattered around. Some little dots. Yeah, I think that's cool.
Yeah.
And then maybe green eyes? What do you think?
Sure.
Yeah? Yeah, that's kind of neat. Look at that. It's cute.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to do a little bit of the grass there. And darken this area right underneath them.
I'll darken it.
And then darken right under there. Like a shadow. And then light green for around it. And then nice.
Can I have the light green?
Of course. Then I might add some color for the belly over here. What should I add behind them?
You can add anything.
What are you thinking? Sky or?
Because I feel like there needs to be something.
Yeah, like what? What do you think we should add? Any ideas?
Clouds.
Clouds? Anything else?
A rainbow.
Where would you add the rainbow?
Like here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
There.
And around?
Should be.
Or a bunch of hearts, maybe?
I'm going to do the rainbow.
Do the rainbow. Okay, let's see. let's see. So red. You want to try it?
It's okay.
I don't mind. This is just like a little highlight, like a highlighter.
It's like gel.
Yeah, it's like gel. Let's see, I think that this needs to be a little, I think it needs a little heart shape maybe. What do you think?
Yeah, in the middle.
Yeah. Let's get his eyelashes. I think that's good. I'm going to sign our name. What do you think?
Mine too. No, can I use it? Thank you. Where should I sign?
Anywhere you want.
In the balloon.
Go for it. Nice. Lily. All right, let's put it together. What do you think about that?
It's cool.
Very cool. Good job. High five, Lily.